Warning signs. Are your muscles getting weaker? Find out in this video the 5 fruits that can help you. Does climbing stairs feel harder and harder? Do you notice that bending down to pick something up from the floor takes more effort than before? Don't ignore these warning signs. They could be the first signs of a silent enemy that, little by little, takes away your strength. Age-related muscle loss affects millions of people over 60. This gradual weakening creeps in unnoticed, until even the simplest activities become a challenge. There's a little talked about truth. Muscle loss is not an unavoidable part of getting older. Sure, getting older is natural, but letting your strength fade away, that's something you can fight against. You don't need expensive supplements or extreme workouts. The solution might already be in your kitchen. Some common fruits have natural things that protect your muscles, lower the chance of sarcopenia, and help you stay strong, active, and able to do things on your own as you get older. Today we're going to tell you about 5 amazing fruits that can do just that. No doctor visits, no protein powders, no tricks. Backed by science, good for people with diabetes or heart problems, and easy to find, these fruits offer more than just a nice taste. They are your first defense against muscle loss. And the last fruit we'll talk about? It's more common than you think, but few know it's the most powerful for protecting your muscles. Stay with us. Keep watching to find out which fruit is quietly working for your strength. If you care about your health after 60, subscribe and leave us a comment. Every day we bring you real and practical solutions. The avocado, a simple fruit that's now pretty common. Maybe you spread it on toast or add it to your salad sometimes. But have you ever wondered if this green, creamy fruit could be the key to protecting your muscles from getting weaker? Everyone knows it's good for your heart, but few know it can be your best friend against age-related muscle loss. This is a condition that happens as you get older, making you weaker, less energetic, and more likely to fall and feel tired. Here's what's happening behind the scenes. As you get older, inflammation in your body tends to go up. At first, you might not notice it, but this quiet inflammation slowly wears away your muscles, making it harder to stay strong. This is how sarcopenia, or muscle mass loss, starts. Avocado can be a valuable helper in this fight. This fruit is full of monounsaturated fats, which help lower inflammation and protect your tissues from unseen damage. But that's not all. Avocado has more potassium than bananas, which is super important for how your muscles work, and it also has a lot of magnesium. These nutrients help stop cramps, make your muscles work right, and keep your heart beating steadily. What does this mean for you? Better balance, less chance of tripping, and more strength in everything you do every day. And then, there's vitamin E, a strong antioxidant that protects your muscles from damage. Each avocado gives you about 10 grams of fiber, which is also good for keeping your blood sugar stable. Super important for anyone managing diabetes or energy dips. According to the American Journal of Clinical Nutrition, older adults who eat more monounsaturated fats, like those in avocado, move better and are less likely to become frail. Other studies connect the lutein in avocado to stronger muscles and better physical performance in older adults. The great thing is, you don't need fancy recipes. You can slice it, mash it, add it to smoothies, or turn it into a creamy dessert. It's really flexible. Worried about sugar or cholesterol? No need to be. Avocado has no cholesterol, very little sugar, and lots of good fats. It fills you up, gives you energy, and keeps you steady, without the crashes you get from sugary snacks or processed protein bars. Before you grab an energy drink or a pill, remember that real strength might already be among the fruit you have at home. Have you ever woken up with heavy, stiff legs, where every move feels like a chore? Or maybe you feel that unexplainable shoulder discomfort in the evening, that heavy feeling, that subtle unease. It's not just about getting older. Your body is sending you important signals. And yet, a small fruit with a strong taste can really make a difference. We're talking about tart cherries, not the sweet ones you enjoy in summer as a snack. These varieties with their bold flavor are packed with anthocyanins, natural compounds that help calm inflammation, ease pain, and protect your muscles from harm. Think of inflammation like a hidden fire burning inside you. You can't see the flames, but your muscles get weaker from the inside. Tart cherries help put out this quiet fire. Here's the amazing thing. It's not just a theory. Many studies have shown that tart cherry juice helps muscles recover faster, even after tough workouts. Athletes who ran marathons or lifted weights felt less pain and recovered quicker after drinking tart cherry juice for a few days. Imagine getting these benefits for your body without even having to go to the gym. A study in the Journal of the International Society of Sports Nutrition found that runners who drank tart cherry juice for a week before a long race felt much less pain after the run. Their muscles healed faster and showed fewer signs of damage. Oregon Health Science University also confirmed that older adults who drank tart cherry juice had less muscle damage and no side effects. Whether it's walking, stretching at home, or simply wanting to move without constant pain, tart cherries can be your secret weapon, helping your body recover, stay strong, and active. But that's not all. Tart cherries have natural melatonin, the hormone that helps your brain regulate sleep. Do you struggle to fall asleep or wake up too early? It's a common problem for older adults. A small glass of pure tart cherry juice before bed can make your sleep better and longer. Deep sleep is super important for your body to repair itself, especially your muscles. And there's more. Tart cherries are also good for people with diabetes if you drink them as pure juice with no added sugar. They have a low impact on blood sugar and are easy to add to your diet. Don't like juice? You can try capsules or add dried tart cherries to yogurt or oatmeal. Always talk to your doctor, especially if you're taking medicine. For most older adults, tart cherries are a natural, gentle, and effective solution. In the next chapter, you'll discover a fruit that not only eases pain but also makes your muscles perform better. Your body won't just recover, it will get stronger. You might think those tiny seeds are just for decoration, but they actually hide a lot more. They are a valuable source of polyphenols, including the rare punicalagin. This substance helps fight one of the main obstacles of aging, oxidative stress. If you feel tired after small efforts or take a long time to recover even after a simple walk, oxidative stress could be the cause. This process weakens you little by little, unless you do something about it. Pomegranate can be the answer. The bright red seeds work like a shield for your muscles, but what truly makes this fruit unique is its ability to boost blood circulation. Pomegranate boosts the production of nitric oxide, a molecule that relaxes blood vessels and carries oxygen and nutrients directly to your muscles. When circulation improves, your whole body benefits. You have more energy, you can do more, and you recover faster. According to the Journal of Nutrition, older adults who took pomegranate extract before physical activity felt less tired and could do more. Another study showed that even those who don't do intense sports recover faster and have less muscle soreness. Whether it's cleaning the house, walking the dog, or climbing stairs, this fruit can truly make a difference. It's not just my opinion. Science confirms it. Pomegranates support mitochondria, the tiny powerhouses of your cells. When mitochondria work better, the rest of your body also works at its best. More energy, easier movements, and a higher quality of life. Avoid packaged juices full of sugar. Instead, choose real pomegranate seeds, called arils. Add them to yogurt, fresh salads, or your morning smoothies. Besides their unique and slightly tart taste, they fill your muscles with protective substances. Remember though, pomegranate juice offers benefits, but it also contains a lot of natural sugar. Always choose 100% natural juices with no added sugar, and limit yourself to about 4-6 ounces a day. Even better, eat the seeds directly. That way you'll get all the benefits and also valuable fiber for regular digestion. Are you ready? The next fruit I'm going to tell you about hides an ancient secret right in its wrinkly skin. A secret that could really change how your muscles deal with getting older. Dried plums, small and wrinkly, are super good at stopping muscle loss and helping to rebuild what you've lost. It might seem simple, but science proves they're valuable. They're full of natural stuff that fights swelling. As you get older, your muscles are always getting hit by something called oxidative stress, kind of like rust, slowly eating away at metal. This makes you feel stiffer, weaker, and slows down how fast you recover after doing something active. Plums can really turn this around. They are a great source of chlorogenic acid, neochlorogenic acid, and rutin, 3 strong antioxidants that protect muscle fibers, reduce joint swelling, and speed up healing. It's not just about getting by anymore. With plums, you can really get better. And the research goes even further. Scientists have found that the good stuff in plums makes more IGF-1, a super important hormone for muscle growth. This hormone directly helps make new muscles, helping your body build and keep strong muscles. Lab tests have shown that plum extract can make muscle cells bigger and help make more protein, just like when your body gets stronger. The good things about plums don't stop at muscle growth. They also have a lot of boron, a mineral that helps your body use calcium, magnesium, and vitamin D. These nutrients are super important for strong muscles and strong bones. For people who are losing muscle and have weak bones, boron might be the missing piece. Plums are also great for your digestion. Their fiber helps keep your blood sugar steady and controls cholesterol. This helps you stay energized all day and avoids those dips that make you not want to move. Eating plums is super easy. You can eat them as a snack, add them to oatmeal, blend them, or mix them with nuts to make homemade energy bars. They are naturally sweet, don't cause big blood sugar spikes, and if you eat them in moderation, they are generally safe, even for people with diabetes. They're not just a dried fruit. They're a real powerhouse for muscle protection, often overlooked until it's too late. Soon I'll tell you about a fruit that hides its strength right in its skin. The latest scientific discoveries could help you rebuild muscles even after you're 70. A simple apple can become your secret weapon to fight against muscle weakness. When you bite into an apple, you taste its crispness and sweetness, but it's in the peel where a powerful natural helper hides. Scientists have studied something called ursolic acid, and the results are truly amazing. In some tests, mice given ursolic acid not only didn't lose muscle, but they even grew new muscle, even when things were tough. That's right, something in apple peels seems to help both grow muscles and stop them from being lost. Even though studies on people are just starting, the first results are very hopeful. Ursolic acid seems to help make more IGF-1, which is a key hormone for building and keeping muscles strong. Even more interesting, this stuff might lower myostatin, which is a protein that stops muscles from growing. Less myostatin means more chances to get stronger. But apples have more good things to offer. They have a lot of quercetin, which is an antioxidant that protects mitochondria, the powerhouses of your muscle cells. When your mitochondria work well, you have more energy, perform better, and feel less tired during the day. Don't forget about pectin. This special fiber in apples helps keep your blood sugar steady, makes your gut healthy, and reduces bloating. All these things help protect your muscles, because a healthy gut lets you take in proteins, vitamins, and important minerals better. An important tip: don't peel your apples, because that's where most of the ursolic acid is. Wash them well, choose organic ones if you can, and eat them whole to get the most benefits. Add apple slices to your breakfast, pair them with almond butter, or grab an apple from the fridge. You don't need complicated recipes or supplements. Natural strength is already within reach. Worried about the sugar in apples? There's no need to be concerned. Apples don't cause big blood sugar spikes, especially if you eat them with the peel and with protein or fiber. You'll have steady energy, hydration, and real nutrition. Want another reason? According to studies from the University of Iowa, ursolic acid not only helps muscles grow in mice, but it also helps reduce body fat and control blood sugar. Important signs of healthy aging. So the next time you hear an apple a day keeps the doctor away, think that it can also help you stay strong, free, and active at 70, 80, and beyond. That fresh, crisp bite is more than just a treat. It's a quiet promise of daily protection against muscle loss. Before we go on, think about this important truth. These 5 amazing fruits are much more than just snacks. They can become key parts of your well-being. Avocados, tart cherries, pomegranates, dried plums, and apples. You don't need expensive personal trainers or shelves full of supplements to get results. Just choose the right foods and eat them with care. These fruits are more than just food. They give you energy, help you recover, and bring back your energy when you're tired. It all starts with small actions. A slice of apple added to your morning oatmeal, a handful of dried plums after breakfast, a small glass of cherry juice before bed. No pressure, no big changes to your daily life. Just small daily wins that tell your body, I'm not giving up. I'm getting strong again. I'm keeping my energy. And what happens? You'll have more energy, sleep better, your muscles will be less sore, and you'll feel more confident every day. You won't just feel stronger, you actually will be. This journey isn't about going back to being young, but about valuing the strength you already have and feeding it with real natural food. Every bite is a clear message to your body. I'm here, I still matter, and my story isn't over. If something touched you today, don't let that feeling disappear. Tell us about your experience below. Have you tried any of these fruits already? Did you feel more energetic or notice improvements in your movement? Your story could be the push someone else needs to start their own journey to new strength. If this video helped you, please support us and subscribe to Senior Health Tips today, where every tip helps you get stronger naturally and peacefully, one step at a time. Until next time, take care of your body and mind. Your strongest self is still to come.